Morning, y'all. It's the next day. Is it? Yeah, it is. And I made breakfast. I made some porridge. I did not record me making the porridge because I did a short video of that. I'm not gonna see enough cooking in the vlog them. So yeah, I just didn't. And I think I've recorded. I don't think not on the vlog. Oh, Mr. Sir is over here feeding himself. Sir, what are you doing? Sorry, I was rudely interrupted by this guy. Come. Tell the people them say, listen, may I drink my porridge, you know? May I drink my porridge? Yeah. Open your mouth. Open wide. You're not ready for it yet? Leave the camera now? No. Here. Open. No! Jesus God. Zane, please stop. We had to feel the porridge. Look. See? Tell them. So may I drink some plant porridge in the morning? Tell them. Plant porridge. This one over here being a typical Jamaican with bread. It's not hard though, bread. Listen, my kids cannot drink their porridge without bread in it. Tell them.
It's not porridge if it doesn't have any bread.
But you hear what you said? It's not porridge unless there's any bread. I took your plate because you were making a mess. I'm going to feed you. He's at that stage when he cry for everything. You know, get what he wants, he cry. Alright, let mommy feed you. See the people that must see her cry. The people that must see her cry. Hold on. Hey! Oh, they're seeing you. This is my plate. This is my plate right here. They can see you. Oh. Oh, Zane's in trouble. See, I'm not in no trouble. Here. There you go. Yum. This boy don't play with his food, y'all. Yeah, y'all gonna see a lot of cooking in the videos because I cook a lot. How's the porridge? Is it good? Very good. My girl over here. Say hi to the vlog. She only waves. She don't talk. And Zane just said, Hubby went to do a quick pickup at Target for me. Some medicine. Something to clean my chair because Zane, it's like an upholstery cleaner because Zane spilled something all over my chair, so I'm gonna clean it. Comment below. Let me know. Have you guys ever tried? Have you guys ever tried plantain porridge before? Could you pick up his passy and wash it? Have you guys ever tried plantain porridge before? I don't know if it's an island thing, but I grew up on that because, listen, cornmeal, plantain. There's this one called wash corn porridge. It's like you grate the corn. I haven't made that. The only person that makes that for me is my mom. The only time I get that's when I visit my mom and I ask her specifically to make it. Yeah. On today's list, I think I want to do the girls' hair for school tomorrow. I will be chaperoning a trip at my daughter's school. I'm not going to take my camera, but I think I might get a little footage of me and her. Excuse me. Her middle school is different. More? And if you have babies, porridge is good for them. And it's filling. I don't know if you guys call this something else where you're from, but for us it's porridge. Sorry, I'm still nasally. Yeah. High five. Yeah. Did you wake your sister? Oh, there she goes. Say good morning to the vlog. My girl said no. You had to wake her up because you want to eat her porridge, huh? I told you my kids love porridge. When hubby comes back, he has to reheat his. Want to say hi? Hold on. Say hi, guys. My girls still have sleep. Watch. You got a mustache. You got a mustache, Papa. You saying hi? Say hi so they can see you. There you go. Say hi. Oh my goodness. No, no. Put your dog. You see what he just did? No, give me the camera. Seen y'all real quick because Zane had touched the lens. Can you see me? I have on this for me, so it's like y'all muffled. But yeah, I am finishing up. Well, not finishing up today's vlog. I am setting a schedule for today's vlog to go up. But hubby came back with the few things I asked him to pick up from Target, which is this. My mom and my friend told me to use this. It helps with nasal sinus and congestion, which is what I need. I told hubby to pick up stain remover for the couch. So I have a little green machine. Hopefully I can show y'all me using that. I love that thing so flipping much. But yeah, I got this. It's for upholstery. Yeah, it's for the whenever you're getting stuff like this, make sure it says portable, because I also got the one for the carpets too. I'm seeing expensive, you see. This is the one for the carpets. I get the Bissell because that's what I got, and I get clean and clean and refresh, because after you clean the carpets, they just leave the house smelling really nice. And y'all know I have Zane, so I have to constantly clean my carpets. We also have a cat. You guys know, I don't know if you guys keep up, but we have a cat. Her name is Cookie. You guys have seen her in the vlogs before. But yeah, not because we have a pet. When friends come over, they're like, sometimes we forget that you have a cat. Yeah. Right now, when she's in heat, when she wants a boyfriend, she has her little cage that she's in. She's trained, and we don't let her go. Well, the girls let her go in their room. I don't let her in my room, and she's not allowed on the furniture. So yeah, no.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all. Hubby took the kiddos and y'all don't understand. That's rare occasions, okay? And he took all three. He took all three. They went to their grandma's house. I'm by myself. I can get some work done, and I can clean my chair that Zane messed up, and then cook dinner, and then do some laundry, and then come back and edit. Yay!
Yay!
But still, yeah.
thousands of tears later.
Y'all, this whole time I cleaned the chicken because I'm about to start dinner. I think the last time you guys saw me, I was, hold on, Demar. Last time y'all saw me, I was spot cleaning the couch because Zane spilled my makeup all over it. So I was doing that. Then I came into the kitchen. I'm on the phone with sis, but I know for your fault. I know for your fault. I started just cleaning up and I totally forgot to pull out the camera. That's the same thing I just said to her not too long ago. But this is what the chicken looks like. Before I'm gonna put it in the oven. Excuse the mess, I'm still cleaning up. I'm roasting the chicken. I got some veggies on there. This is the before. I'm gonna do this with some rice, some peas, and some asparagus. Yeah, the girls love asparagus. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, so this is what it looks like before I put it in the oven. I'm trying. I still feel sick. I still haven't taken the medicine yet. So I think I'm gonna do that in a second because I was thinking to make a iced coffee, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna make the medicine. So I'm gonna put the chicken in the oven. Alexa, set a timer for 1 hour.
Timer for how long?
1 hour.
1 hour.
Give me a minute.
Start now.
Okay guys, so this is what dinner looks like. I made some gunga peas and rice. Did some asparagus, roast chicken with the potatoes and carrots, and some avocados on the side. This is dinner. Of course, this is hubby's plate. This is not my plate. My plate never looks like this. Yeah, so this is dinner. Yeah, and they're home. This one, look. This is him. Say hi. Say hi. They came home, gave him a bath. He's in his jammies. Say hi, I'm Little Bear. Yeah. Yeah, say hi, I'm Little Bear. So yeah, so. All right, Papa. So this is dinner. I made the girls are taking a shower before they eat. So yeah. I need to tend to this one before he starts crying again.